Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's lesson, I'll teach you how to log cells and protect sheets in Excel. You might be an accountant working in a certain company, and quite often you prepare important financial reports such as the balance sheet, the profit and loss, among others. Or maybe if you're in another profession, you may find yourself working on a report that you need not tampered with. Well, protecting cells or sheets in Excel prevents data deletion, modification, e.g. changing of formulas or formats. It also prevents hiding and unhiding of data, either accidentally or intentionally, hence ensuring your data is safe. With that said, let's get started with a practical explanation of our today's lesson. With me here, I have sales reports of XYZ company from the month of January to June 2022. I have the list of customers in this company, contact salesperson, sales figures from the month of January all the way to June 2022, total sales figures calculated in this row, target set, and the percentage achieved. In this lesson, I'll show you two ways on how to protect your data. One is how to protect the entire worksheet. That means no cell in this worksheet will be editable. And two, how to protect individual cells. So let's get started with the first way. To learn about this, the first way, go to the menu bar on top, then under review, yeah, let's click review, go to protect sheet. It will prompt you to enter a password of your preference. Please enter. Then click OK. Re-enter password to proceed. OK. Please remember, uh, this password will be needed in case you need to edit data in this worksheet. Yeah, to make it editable, you'll need to remember this password. So make sure you enter a password that you can remember. You can even note it somewhere. So the next thing is click OK. So if I want to click any part or any cell in this report and try to edit, see, it won't let me. Why? Because we protected the entire worksheet. Okay, let's try another cell and try to edit. The response we are getting is the cell or chart that you're trying to change is protected and therefore read only. To modify a protected cell or chart, first remove protection using the unprotect sheet command. So for you to edit any cell in this worksheet, you'll need to unprotect your sheet. Okay, so let me show you how you can unprotect your sheet. Go to the menu bar on top, then under review, go to unprotect sheet. Okay, click on it. So it will prompt you to enter the password you used to protect the sheet. So let's enter the password. Okay, then click OK. So at this point, if I want to edit any parts of, of this data or any cell, it's editable because I have unprotected my data, my sheet. You see, now it's editable. So that's the first way of protecting your sheets. The second way is protecting individual cells. And that means some of the cells in this sheet will be editable, while other cells in this particular worksheet will be uneditable. Okay, so let's get started. I will highlight the cells that I need editable in this worksheet, and I'll differentiate them with a different font so that you can understand better. Let's make this font maroon. Okay, So everything in maroon, I need it editable. Yeah, be it the sales figures, be it the customer name, be it the contact salesperson, I need them editable. Any other cell that is not in maroon, I need it locked. Yeah, like the total sales figures per month. Remember, there's a formula that has been used, so I need it locked, and I don't need anyone to change that formula. So that one will be locked, and any other cell, even an empty cell in this worksheet, I need it to be locked or protected. Okay, so how you go about this? The first step is first highlight the cells that you need editable. Okay, then right click your mouse or press Ctrl 1 to go to the format cells tab. Then on the far end you see protection here, click on it. Then you see here the locked file, it has a tick in the box. That means by default every cell in Excel is protected. However, this feature is inactive or has no effect until you protect the worksheet. Okay, yeah, so we are going to uncheck this because the highlighted cells, I need them to be editable. So we uncheck, then click OK. So the next step is protecting the other cells, right? The ones that are not highlighted or the ones that are not in maroon. So how do you go about this? Again, go to the menu bar, then under review, protect sheets, click protect sheets, enter your password, click OK, re-enter your password to confirm, then click OK. So I'll demonstrate. If I try to edit this part, this cell, you will realize it's editable. Reason, because I made these cells editable by unlocking, yeah, unlocking the cells. If I need this part to be editable again, to edit this part or this cell, again, it's editable. If I click this cell which has the total sales figure for the month of March, you can see it cannot allow me to edit because we locked the cells. Okay, name of the company, can't edit. Any other cell, maybe even an empty cell, can't edit because it's protected. Okay, so that's it for today. That's our lesson for today, and thanks for taking your time to learn with us. Please remember to comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.